Right, can we just take 1 minute to have a look at that race car over there? I mean, this was built to take on some of the world's toughest high-level endurance races. So there it is, ladies and gentlemen, the Ford Mustang GT3. Ryan Hardwick, Zach Robichon and Ben Barker will be racing the Mustang GT3 in the World Endurance Championships with Proton Competition. But Ryan clearly can't get enough of sports car racing because as we speak, his IMSA WeatherTech Mustang GT3 is unloading at Daytona for the race next week. And here are both the cars in the liveries that were revealed today. They're looking good, huh? We also want to highlight our newest customer racing team, Dynamic GT. The drivers Frederick Vervish, Christopher Mize and Dennis Olsen will be racing in the number 54 Mustang GT3 in the SRO GT World Challenge Europe. And let's not forget the greatest generation Mustang GT4 competing against the European elite starting next week at Daytona.